Welcome to DECOLOVA, where timeless design meets calm sophistication in the most effortless way. In today's tour, we are stepping into a quiet luxury farmhouse home that feels refined without ever becoming cold, and charming without ever feeling cluttered. Every corner has been shaped with intention, blending soft textures, natural materials, and a gentle color palette that invites you to slow down and breathe. This is the kind of small space decorating style that proves beauty does not need to shout. It simply needs to feel balanced, graceful, and deeply comforting. From the very first glance, this farmhouse interior creates a sense of quiet confidence. Nothing feels overdone, yet every detail feels considered. The walls, the furniture, and the decor all work together like a well-composed melody, each piece supporting the next with subtle harmony. Instead of overwhelming the space with heavy decoration, the design allows airiness and softness to lead the way. That is what makes this style so appealing for smaller homes. It creates a room that feels open, polished, and beautifully lived in, while still holding onto that cozy countryside charm. One of the strongest features in this home is the way neutral shades are layered with purpose. Cream, ivory, warm beige, soft taupe, and muted stone tones create a peaceful foundation that never feels flat. Instead of relying on contrast for drama, the design uses depth through texture and tone. You notice how a woven basket, a linen cushion, a rustic wood table, or a smooth ceramic vase can each add personality without disrupting the calm atmosphere. This is the essence of quiet luxury. It is not about excess, but about choosing pieces that feel naturally elegant together. In a smaller home, every object matters more, which is why this farmhouse interior feels so intelligent. The furniture is selected with scale in mind, giving the room comfort without crowding it. Sofas feel inviting but not bulky, tables feel practical but not heavy, and decor is arranged with breathing room so the home can feel open and graceful. There is a quiet discipline in this kind of styling. It teaches us that small spaces do not need more things. They need the right things placed with care, so the entire home feels calm, functional, and beautifully composed. What makes this home feel truly welcoming is the use of natural texture throughout the space. Soft woven fabrics, warm wood grains, pottery, aged metal accents, and subtle handmade details create a tactile richness that makes the room come alive. These textures give the home its farmhouse soul, while the restrained styling keeps it feeling elevated. Instead of filling the room with loud decoration, the design allows texture to do the storytelling. The result is a room that feels both grounded and polished, with a quiet elegance that is deeply comforting and easy to love. A beautiful quiet luxury farmhouse home often feels as though it has been gathered over time, and that is exactly the impression here. The furniture does not look rushed or overly matched. Instead, it feels curated, like each piece was chosen because it belonged there all along. A simple wooden console, a relaxed armchair, a classic bench, or a softly upholstered seat can change the mood of a room without overwhelming it. This collected feeling adds authenticity, which is one of the most valuable qualities in small space decorating. It makes the home feel personal, relaxed, and naturally refined. Ned. The decor in this home speaks in a soft voice, but it still leaves a lasting impression. You may notice a simple vase with dried stems, a framed piece of art with muted tones, a folded throw placed with care, or a decorative bowl sitting quietly on a table. These details do not compete for attention, and that is what makes them luxurious. Quiet luxury is often found in restraint, in the decision to let a few elegant accents define the mood rather than filling every surface. This approach makes the space feel thoughtful, serene, and beautifully intenti. The most impressive part of this farmhouse tour is how effortlessly it balances comfort and elegance. Nothing feels stiff, and nothing feels casual in a careless way. The home welcomes you with softness, but it still maintains a polished sense of design. That balance is especially important in small spaces, where too much decor can feel heavy and too little can feel unfinished. Here, every choice supports a peaceful rhythm, from the shape of the furniture to the softness of the textiles. The atmosphere feels easy to live in, yet refined enough to inspire anyone who loves calm and tasteful interiors. Moving deeper into the home, we discover a dining area that perfectly reflects the philosophy of quiet luxury. The space is not large, yet it feels remarkably inviting because every element serves a purpose. A modest farmhouse table becomes the heart of the room, surrounded by comfortable seating that encourages lingering conversations and slow meals. Rather than relying on extravagant decoration, the dining area embraces simplicity through quality materials and thoughtful styling. The result is a space that feels intimate and welcoming, proving that elegance is often found in restraint rather than abundance. The kitchen carries a timeless farmhouse spirit while maintaining the sophistication of modern living. Clean lines, warm wood accents, and carefully selected finishes create an environment that feels both practical and beautiful. Open shelving displays a few meaningful pieces instead of overcrowding the walls, while natural materials help soften the functional nature of the room. Every surface feels calm and organized, allowing the beauty of craftsmanship to shine through. This kitchen demonstrates how small spaces can feel luxurious when clutter is removed, and every detail contributes to a harmonious overall design. The bedroom embraces tranquility with a gentle palette and layers of comforting textures. Soft bedding, natural fabrics, and understated furnishings work together to create a retreat that encourages relaxation. Instead of filling the room with unnecessary decor, the design focuses on essentials that enhance both comfort and beauty. The simplicity of the space allows the mind to rest, making the room feel larger and more peaceful than its actual dimensions. This is a wonderful example of how quiet luxury transforms a bedroom into a sanctuary where elegance and serenity exist in perfect balance. One of the secrets behind this home's refined appearance is its approach to storage. Every item has a place, allowing the rooms to remain visually calm and organized. Woven baskets, built-in cabinetry, and carefully styled shelves provide practical solutions while contributing to the home's overall aesthetic. Rather than hiding functionality, the design integrates it seamlessly into the decor. This thoughtful organization helps small spaces feel more spacious and relaxing. It reminds us that luxury is not always about adding more features, but about creating an environment where everything feels effortless and beautifully maintained. A quiet luxury farmhouse feels deeply connected to nature, and this home captures that connection beautifully. Organic materials and carefully chosen greenery introduce life without overwhelming the space. A simple arrangement of branches, seasonal foliage, or potted plants can transform an ordinary corner into a refreshing focal point. The natural elements soften the architecture and add movement to the otherwise calm interiors. This connection to nature helps create an atmosphere that feels grounded and authentic. It is a subtle design choice, yet it contributes greatly to the sense of comfort and well-being found throughout the home. As daylight moves through the home, the carefully planned lighting reveals the true beauty of each space. Natural light is welcomed wherever possible, allowing textures, fabrics, and finishes to appear warm and inviting. During the evening, gentle layers of illumination create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Instead of relying on harsh brightness, the lighting is soft and deliberate, highlighting architectural details and decorative accents without overwhelming the rooms. This thoughtful approach helps every corner feel comfortable and elegant, reinforcing the peaceful mood that defines quiet luxury farmhouse living. As our tour comes to a close, this elegant farmhouse reminds us that true luxury is often found in simplicity. It is not about filling a home with expensive objects or following every trend. Instead, it is about creating spaces that feel calm, welcoming, and deeply personal. Through thoughtful furniture choices, layered textures, natural materials, and carefully balanced styling, this small home achieves a timeless beauty that feels both inspiring and attainable. Thank you for joining us on DECOLOVA today. If these quiet luxury farmhouse decorating ideas sparked inspiration for your own home, be sure to like, subscribe, and return for more beautiful interior design journeys that celebrate comfort, elegance, and everyday living.